Hi everyone, in this video we'll explore how to SSH into a virtual machine on Google Cloud Platform, also known as GCP. This is a basic but essential skill when working with cloud-based systems. I'll walk you through each step to access the server easily and securely. Before we begin, you need to have a Linux virtual machine already set up on GCP. If you don't have one yet, check out the video linked in the description below to learn how to create a Linux VM on Google Cloud Platform. You'll also need to have PuTTY installed on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download and install it using the link in the description below. Once everything is ready, let's open PuTTYgen to generate an SSH key pair. This is an important step to ensure a secure connection to your server. When the PuTTYgen interface opens, first select the encryption type as RSA and set the key length to 2048 bits. Then, click the Generate button to start generating your SSH key pair. During this step, make sure to move your mouse randomly and continuously within the blank area to help the system generate a more secure key. Once the key generation is complete, you'll see the public key displayed in the box above. This is what we'll use to register with the virtual machine on GCP. Additionally, you can change the key comment field if you like. This acts like a username and will appear when you connect via SSH later. You can also add a password in the key passphrase field to enhance the security of your private key. If you set one, you'll be required to enter this password each time you use the key to connect via SSH. Next, save your private key by clicking the Save Private Key button. This file is what you'll use to connect via SSH from your computer. Important: never share this key with anyone to keep your system secure. Next, copy the public key and use it to register it on your virtual machine in GCP. This is a necessary step to grant SSH access from your computer. Click the Edit button to start modifying the server settings. Scroll down and find the SSH Keys section in the Edit interface of your virtual machine. Click the Add Items button to add your public key. Paste the public key you copied into the corresponding field under SSH keys. Finally, click Save to apply the changes you've made. All set. Now, copy the public IP address of your server and try connecting via SSH to test the setup. Go to SSH right pointing arrow.auth, then select the private key file you saved earlier when generating the key pair. Enter the key comment you created when generating the key. This acts as the username for login. Connection successful! You've now successfully connected to your virtual machine on GCP via SSH. Wishing you all success. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit the like button to support me. Thank you.